ELI5 How come when most ill people fall asleep they stop coughing, even if they couldn't stop coughing before falling asleep? Your cough reflex is decreased/less sensitive during sleep. Basically the things that would trigger it during the day may not be strong or irritating enough to trigger it at night. However, some people with chronic cough also have nocturnal cough in which the trigger is strong enough to break through and activate the cough reflex. Some examples of causes include asthma, postnasal drip/sinusitis, and acid reflux.